What's up, guys? I'm changing my Coffman exhaust on my CBR 500R for a Leo Vince. The reason why is because this one's a little loud. I purchased this bike and it came with this exhaust, and it's way too loud for me. So I'm gonna install this bad boy and put the baffle in. Hopefully it's quiet enough. Alright, so here are the contents of that box. I got the baffle in there, the exhaust itself, and the other parts. Yeah, my tools. There it is without the exhaust. Let's get started. Alright, so here it is, installed on the CBR 500R. It was a pretty easy install overall. I had difficulties with this part, and for some reason the baffle didn't go in right away, so I had to kind of just hammer it in as gently as I could. And let's see if it's quieter than the Coffman over there. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if there's any more leaks. That's good. It's not leaking anymore. Alright. So I just stood across the street. Turn this off. So I just stood across the street, and it's definitely quieter than the Coffman with the baffle in. So yeah, I'm glad I installed it. And hopefully my neighbors won't hate me anymore.